National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a high wind warning for Itasca County, Cass County, Hubbard County, Beltrami County until 5 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., high winds were located over the warned area in excess of 80 miles an hour. Expected hazards include high winds, impact, wind damage to vehicles, roofs, siding, and trees are very likely. Cautionary/preparedness actions: when you are out in the high winds, move indoors to provide high wind. Anything that could be flying debris must be taken in.